press any key, I'll press this. This. No. Fucking nope. I gotta.
Pressing any key, I have to press.
E.
This is a quintessential experience of this whole game. This right here in front of us right now is the quintessential experience of the whole fucking game. It's just press any key to activate. No, wow, one. You cannot press any fucking. Oh no, of course not, you dumbass. You press one fucking key. You press the E key. E. E. Oh, fucking. Am I shush? This right here in front of us right now.